All right, nice job. Well informed about the market, very clear presentation, and you put logos on the team slide. Finally, someone did that. Opportunities for improvement. Deck design, even if you just want to type in text, use one of the tools that's out there. The AI will do a lot of the work for you and give you a lot of suggestions. Let's talk about the dollar cost of the problem. It was hard to understand what that was throughout the presentation. The traction graph was just funny, honestly. I don't think you can get away with putting a graph that doesn't exist on there. You can express traction through things like the amount of customer discovery that you've done. Those kinds of things will reflect traction even if you're still pre-revenue. When you talk about competition, I like to suggest focusing on just one feature of why you're special, why you're different versus a large number of them. It's much more credible that a startup would beat the bigger competitors across one feature rather than several. On the projections, I thought it was interesting that you'd done them that way, but I might keep it simpler. Just tell me about the company that I'm going to be buying into in 18 months or 2 years' time. If the investor wants to see more, then the spreadsheet with those numbers is more likely to be appropriate. Other than that, great job. Nice work, Lance.